This video will demonstrate for you how to install and remove SafeStick matting. SafeStick is a peel and stick absorbent roll matting product only available from the Mat Works. This super tough, super absorbent mat with its sticky backing prevents slips and falls since the mat stays in place and the corners won't curl. And once SafeStick is installed, you won't need to replace it for up to 90 days. It's perfect for areas inside the store that have wet walls, water fountains, ice machines, and any other areas that customers may be prone to slips or falls. To install SafeStick, you will need the following tools: a tape measure, utility knife, straight edge, wet mop, and/or dust mop. Prior to installing SafeStick, it's important that the area is clean, dry, and free from debris that may impede proper adhesion. To begin the installation process, remove SafeStick from the packaging. Next, roll out and position the matting along the area where you're planning to install the product. Cut the matting to size using your straight edge and utility knife. Position the product. Peel about 2 feet of the backing away and press into place, ensuring there's no bubbles. Then, while one installer slowly removes the backing in about 4-foot lengths, the other installer adheres the matting to the floor by pressing and smoothing it out. Make minor adjustments as you go to ensure the mat is positioned correctly and that there are no bubbles or wrinkles. In areas of the store that have drains where the matting will be installed or spaces that may require access to refrigeration, you will have to cut these out carefully with your utility knife. Cut the corners off that are facing out by measuring 5 inches on each side, then trim at a 45-degree angle. This will prevent lifting and extend the life of the mat. It's important to cut clean, straight lines. Always use your straight edge and sharp blades for the best installation possible and to prevent callbacks. If you make a mistake, you'll have to repair it carefully, utilizing unused pieces of SafeStick matting. Take care to make the best repair possible. Now that you know how to install SafeStick matting, let's review how to remove the product prior to replacing with new SafeStick. First, keep the new packaging intact so you can place the used matting you're removing back into the bags for easy disposal. Begin by peeling back a corner using your fingernail or by using a utility knife until you can grab enough to pull the matting away from the floor by hand. Continue pulling away and rolling the used matting as you go. Keep the roll tight enough so you can place it in the bags for disposal. Once you have removed the used matting, go ahead and place them in the bags you set aside from the new product packaging. It's that simple to install and remove SafeStick from the Mat Works. Thanks for watching.